Hello everybody, this is Vidyasagar, NEET Biology faculty, MSc BEd PhD, CSR net twice qualified, all India best rank is 65. Today let us discuss NEET postponement preparation strategy and achieving good marks. Actually, every year NEET exam time is May first week, but due to COVID-19, it has been number of times postponed. Latest postpone is to September 13. Okay, fine. Here, luckiest people are regular students or 12 students. Generally, after completing their exams, they may have roughly 40 or 50 days. But this year, they got more than 4 months time. It is really very huge time. They can cover all the topics in three subjects: physics, chemistry, biology. They can get a good command of the subject. They can do enough practice, so they can achieve a good score. Okay, this year cutoff we see means many analysis, expositions, and statistics all are saying one of the factor can decide is paper toughness. So whatever the paper is given by NTA, and expecting cutoff for open category least cutoff. I mean 570 plus. Suppose in the case of BC maybe it is 550. That maybe varies based on the state and number of student seats availability in state wise. We are saying commonly all India level. Okay, fine. Actually, limited time is there means students can prepare, practice, and attend. We too can predict who can achieve, who can stand in the competition, who can't, like the way. But this year, due to too much time availability, some toppers may relax, some average students may try hard and reach to top level. So anything may happen any side. It is depend upon student. Of course, student, parent, teacher, management, many. But main thing is student involvement. So now June came, June finished, July came, August, September 13, right? Solidly 60 days is in our hand. What to do? Only the thing is required right now is make sure the difficulty areas, working on them, getting command over them. To make stronger in that area, need to do more practice and attending number of chapters and number of mock tests and getting grip on that one, finding their sensitive areas. Even though some students work repetitively on certain chapters, some sensitive chapters, particularly in the area of biology, we can feel like plant kingdom, animal kingdom, or else ecology unit, total ecology unit, and human health and diseases, like the way sensitive areas. So 100 times we prepare also, it is required to prepare one more time before going to exam. Otherwise we can't remember exactly the terms and scientific names or related information. Fine. Now who can get success guaranteely medical achieve means the student who is continuously in touch with subject by avoiding overconfidence. What they need to do, regularly attending exams, knowing their lagging areas, working repetitively on them, making that lagging areas or strengthy areas, gaining more score. The analysis sequence says biology better score is 320 and above, chemistry better score is 150 and above, physics better score is 130 and above, like the way. So many statistics and analysis reports are saying if your score is less than that, you need to work to maintain that level. That level come means then it is good. Suppose based on a student interest, involvement, and their strength in some one subject may be more efficient, in one subject may be less. That less should not be too much less. That need to be reasonable layer, like plus or minus 20 marks, not more than that one. What are the cutoff? I mean subject wise best mark I said So like the way they need to maintain. Only the thing is need to touch with the subject. Regularly attending exams is the best solution. So discussing doubts with the peer group, I mean friends, yeah, same class students, and taking suggestions from the faculty. These are all the best things. And the hours what you are spending per day also counts. You need to spend minimum 12 to 13 hours with books. You need to what we say, remove the hours what you use for fresh up, eating, brushing, bathing, like the way purely whatever the hours you are spending with the books to read or to practice to write exam, these hours you count, means that need to be minimum 12 to 13 hours. So sleep also required. Don't prepare sleeplessly. Have a strategy. So you should know, students should know their strength and weakness. So by knowing their weakness areas, they need to work more and more on that one. This like you do means the score reaches safe zone. So 600 plus is the best score this year. Everybody try to work for that one. And if the student is open category student, they need to keep their marks always above 570 above, so that the safe zone we can say. So based on the state, the cutoff may be varies and difficulty also. I hope everybody is understanding this one, the scenario in the country. Whether the student is average or topper, it is not at all matter. Maintaining the content in the brain freshly, that is the matters. I hope this video is useful for all of you. Thank you dears. Have a nice day. Thank you. All the best. Achieve the score.